Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to fix a hood that won't stay up. This is a 2004 Toyota Tundra. You can see my hood support struts over here have worn out and the hood just won't stay up. The other day I was working on this and it started coming down. Luckily I caught it. It will stay up right now if I push it all the way up. I'm not going to leave it like this. It's so sensitive, and I've had a few of these come down on me in the past. Over time, these hood support struts here on either side will start to wear out. They'll either lose their gas charge or they just don't have a seal that will hold anymore. They're very inexpensive and it's really easy to do. I'll show you how quickly we can get those changed out. Grab just a piece of wood or something like this that I've put up here to hold the hood up while we change out these struts. All right, so now I have the hood propped up with that piece of wood. We can take this off without worrying about the hood coming down on us. And really, the only tool you need is a small flat blade screwdriver. What we're going to do is just disconnect this by pulling this little metal tab up. You can take it off completely. I usually put my finger over it like this and then pull that off of the little stud here. Same with the bottom. It's got this little metal clip here, and then it just pops right off that stud there. Now the new hood support strut does have a little bit of grease here in the socket to fit over this ball, but if these are really corroded, you could potentially have to replace these, but if they're all right, you can just snap these right back on. And I'll show you how easy that is to do. We'll do the bottom first. Just push it and it'll pop into place. And then see the top one here, just have to twist that to line it up. And here I'm gonna push up a little bit on the hood to align that. And then it just pops on just like so. All right, same with this one. Just a little flathead screwdriver. Pry that metal off, or at least out enough, and then pull off the old strut. And then same with this down here. There we go. Same thing, just line it up. Now these are usually threaded, so I'm not gonna twist this way. See, that actually unscrews this. So if you do need to rotate it, just rotate it clockwise, like so. And then here, see, we just need to push up a little bit on the hood to line that up and pop it into place. All right, let's see how much of a difference that is now. Look at that, huge difference. But that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up these same replacement hood support struts as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.